Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that your payroll is on autopilot on Gusto Payroll. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just sign up for Gusto and you set up payroll and you just want to make sure that it's set to autopilot. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 Visa gift card sent to you. So in order to double check whether payroll is on autopilot, you can first log on to Gusto, and under where it says upcoming, you can see that it says payroll on autopilot. Okay, so that's the first way you can check. The other way that you can do it is you can click on pay on the left-hand side, click on settings, and then from here you could actually scroll down, and then you can see that payroll on autopilot is set to on. If this for some reason says off, just click on edit and then scroll down and then edit again. And then you can actually set this to active or inactive. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make sure that your payroll is on autopilot on Gusto. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.